Hey, Dan Frio here with the Mortgage Update. Today I want to talk about our new FHA No-Doc Streamline Refinance. Why do we call it this? And I'm going to prove to you that I do have this program. It's not something I just use as a marketing ploy to get you to call, and some of the benefits and the ease on how to get through this process. So this program that we have actually requires no credit scores. We pull a mortgage-only credit report. So all it's giving me is your mortgage history. So if there was a bankruptcy, a foreclosure, a short sale, some collections, things like that on the credit, it is not seen. The only thing that is seen is your mortgage, and we want to make sure you made the last 12 payments on time. That's key, and I'll get to that in a minute. No appraisal is needed, so the value of the home is irrelevant. You can have a second mortgage that we subordinate, and I can explain that to you further if you call. No income. There is no income checks, meaning we don't verify the job. We don't even put a job on your application, and there's no checks or balances there. So, one of the first things I get from people is, okay, now we're getting back to those dumb loans that put us in this position before. No. Go back to what I said. We're going to pull a mortgage-only credit report. Okay? You have to pay your last 12 mortgage payments on time. That's key. Again, I repeated from last time. Why that's key. This program is developed to say you're paying your mortgage on time now. The reason for this refinance is to reduce your payment. So let's say your payment's $1,500. We bring it down to $1,200. Well, if you could afford $15, common sense tells you you can afford $12. So that's why the ease of this program. It's allowing a lot of people to take advantage of today's rates. Okay, so let me go to the guideline screen just to show you in writing that this can be done. Underwriting section. I want to bring your attention here. A mortgage-only tri-merge credit report is needed. It must include credit scores and public records is required for non-credit qualifying. We're not doing a non-credit qualifying. We're doing a credit qualifying. So all we need is a mortgage-only tri-merged. Minimum credit score of 550. Again, that is not required if we're doing that program that I stated. We're doing the credit qualifying program. Okay? So don't mean to get confusing, but all we pull is a mortgage-only tri-merge credit report. Okay? Disregard this. If you have an FHA Streamline. Going down through here. Here's one of the things that a lot of people do not know. And a lot of people are turned away, or homeowners are turned away from their current companies who they might call and they'll tell them, well, it's a rental property today, or it's a second home now today. It used to be my primary, so now we cannot do that loan as an FHA Streamline. Let me tell you what I can do. I can do your primary residency. I can do it if it's a secondary home right now or vacation home. I can even do it if it's a 1 to 4 family investment or rental property. I close a lot of these because people will call their current servicer and they're told no, they can't do that unless it's owner occupied. I can do it if it's a rental property, if it's an FHA loan. So these are the facts behind this program. Again, if you have an FHA loan currently, please give me a call. I might be able to save you money, and it's a very, very easy process. So to get in touch with me, just call 630-338-1160. To find out more about this program, also visit me on the web at 1160mortgage.com. Thank you much.